How to fix Snapchat notification not working on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is force quit your Snapchat app. Firstly, launch your Snapchat. Now you have to force quit. In this way, once you do that, now launch your app store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Snapchat and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, launch your settings. Now scroll down, head towards the app Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Open this option, notifications. Toggle on for the option of allow notifications. Likewise, toggle on for these options, sounds and badges. Check in for all these options, lock screen notification center and banners. Likewise, open this option, Snapchat notification settings. Now from here, you can customize notification for your Snapchat different features. Once you customize all these settings, you will be good to go. At the end, you can give fresh restart to your iPhone. While applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat notification not working on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.